Sure to Cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making a Hogwarts Punch. And this Hogwarts Punch is inspired by my favorite book, my favorite movie, Harry Potter. So we're going to make a punch for you, your family, and your children. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, for our Hogwarts Punch, I have 2 cups. These cups remind me of Harry Potter. It's a Harry Potter vibe. They would use a cup like that, so we're going to use this cup. This is where I'm going to mix it in, and then I'm going to pour it in this cup because I'm going to decorate this cup and make it more like it's got magic in it. Okay, I'm going to use this cup. In this cup, I bought some fancy edible glitter. And I bought it in pink because it makes it look like it's got magic. Okay, so it's going to be a nice glittery pink, and it's edible, so it's not going to bother anybody. We're just going to spray this cup with it. Okay, we're going to sit this cup to the side. I'm just showing you what it looks like, guys, because we're going to use it for inside some of the drink too. We're going to put this in the side, and we're going to go ahead and make our drink. Okay, this is my honey. I put it down on the opposite side because I want all the honey to drain so I can use all the honey in the jar. I do have more honey in there, but why waste honey? I'm going to do about a tablespoon of this honey. Okay, I've got a can of peach nectar, sweet peach nectar. And you can find this in the stores. I'm using a half a cup of peach nectar. I'm just going to measure this, guys. Then I'm going to pour it into my glass. I got a little bit of orange. This is good orange. And I'm just going to take this orange and I'm just going to juice it. 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed orange juice. Okay, I have my Harry Potter wand. I am going to stir this up, making sure I get all that honey mixed up with everything that's in here. So you got your peach nectar, your honey, your 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed orange juice. Okay, mixed up really good. I don't feel the honey at the bottom anymore. Okay, then I got me some country style lemonade, or you can get any kind of lemonade you want. You want a really good lemonade. I want about a cup of this lemonade here. And we're going to take that cup of lemonade and we're going to pour it in here and we're going to fill this baby up. Our special wand here, our Harry Potter wand. I'm going to mix it up really, really good. This is so easy to make for your children. I mean, it's a nice little drink. Actually, looking at it, it could be poured over ice, or you can make like a little toddy, warm it up a little bit, give it to them. That would sound good. Maybe they can drink a little bit of this and go to bed. That is good. That's good to get down, but this is a nice little punch, more like a punch for kids. Okay, I got me some ice here. Okay, I've got some thyme here. Just a little sprig of thyme to go right in here. Gives it a little festive. I rinsed this lemon and peeled it. I'm going to cut off some of it here, and I'm going to cut off another wedge. I need a nice little round wedge. I'm going to do another one here. Put a more lemon in here. Yeah, and this lemon's going to get sliced in half. And I'm going to put it on the edge here. And I also have some orange, and I'm going to put that orange on the side also here. Stay in there, orange. On this side, I'm going to pour my wonderful, wonderful nectar here. Oh, this is so good. Hogwarts. Don't forget, guys, I got this spray that I'm going to put over the drink. It's eatable. And there is our Hogwarts inspired Harry Potter punch. Okay, and here it is, a Hogwarts Punch inspired by Harry Potter. One of my favorite books, one of my favorite movies, all my favorite movies. I love Harry Potter. And I got this wonderful recipe from the Harry Potter book, and I decided to create this wonderful Hogwarts drink for your family, your kids, and for adults. If you want to spice it up, you know what to do. Hey guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you next time because guess what? I didn't make this drink alone. You and me, we made this together. And we can make plenty more drinks, plenty more everything. Just come back. Hey, see you next time. Bye.